Welcome to my second Skillshare Masterclass. I'm so happy to announce the release of my second Skillshare Masterclass. In this class, I will be taking students through how to shape and form 5 sugar filler flowers for your floral designs. We'll use limited tools, even going through hand-pulled flowers that are super easy to make. Nothing improves your floral work more than adding edible colour in a creative way. I will take you through how to pick shades of colour and layer them to add interest and realism. We will even look at how to assemble your sprays of flowers using florist tape and my 3-7 method. These flowers are my absolute go-to when finding the perfect blooms to fill in those gaps that you find in your sugar flower arrangements. And I can't wait to share how I make these with you. As a Skillshare teacher, I will take you through each step in 5-minute lessons, providing feedback along the way, and walk you through the tools that you will need to achieve incredible results. This platform is really interactive. You will learn how to make orange blossoms, lilacs, wallflowers, jasmine, and hydrangeas. Join my class today with the free sign-up link in the description box below.